Merry Christmas, guys! It's time for an easy and delicious tiramisu bûche de Noël for your Christmas dinner. This is everything you need for this easy recipe. For more details, check my description section. Add the eggs in a stand mixer. Add half of the sugar, cream until you get a light and fluffy consistency. When it's ready, add your 500 grams of mascarpone cheese. Proceed by adding your amaretto, and to finish, add your 2 leaves of gelatin that we melted before. The cream is ready, let's start our meringue. Take the other half of sugar and mix it with the egg whites. When the meringue is ready, fold it in the cream that we made before. And sure enough, your tiramisu cream is ready. Now we're gonna put together our bûche de Noël. Don't forget to add the amaretto in your coffee for more taste. Spread some cream in the mold. Dip our biscuit cuillères in the coffee and place in the mold. Repeat the operation, add the last coat and place in the fridge overnight. The next morning it's finally time to finish our bûche de Noël. Unmold and cover with some cocoa powder. Add the decorations and your tiramisu bûche de Noël is ready. Impress your guests and enjoy!